Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna check out the imars w9s Plus Full HD action camera. Well, it's actually not a 4K action camera, it's a 1080p Full HD action camera, but I don't know why they sent me this box. Before opening up the box, I want to thank Banggood for sending me this awesome product, and I have also left a link for their website in the description box below. Do check them out. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside. At this side, it has a USB and HDMI port along with a SD card slot. At the bottom, you have a battery compartment. It's a 900 mAh lithium-ion battery. Moving on to the front, you have the power or the mode button. At the top, a shutter and the LED indicator. Moving on to the sides, it has the two control buttons and the speaker. Entering into the modes, it has a video mode, photo mode, burst mode, time-lapse mode, playback mode and the settings. And now let's see what we get in the settings menu. Now pressing the down control button at the side, you enter into the Wi-Fi mode, where you can connect it with your mobile. Now let's see some footage taken using this action camera. Overall, it's a very good action camera. I couldn't complain much considering its price point. You got a lot of accessories in the box which are more than enough. The footages are usable and the videos of both the resolutions are very good. The build quality also seems to be very good. And the overall, I could give a rating of around 8 out of 10. This camera is available at banggood.com. I will leave a link in the description box below. Do check them out. Thanks guys for watching the video. If you have any queries, just leave them in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.